Let's be honest, most of us are stuck using the same old tools to make sense of our data. Excel formulas, Google Sheet templates, Power BI dashboards, double drag and drops, and every one of them turns a simple task into a full-time job. You might think you are just checking numbers, but suddenly you are cleaning rows, fixing dates, adjusting charts, and rebuilding visuals. And there goes another hour of your life. And here's a crazy party. No matter who you are, the pain is the same. Data analysts drowning in workflows, business owners trying to understand their numbers without hiring the whole team, students and researchers just trying to get a chart that doesn't look like it was built in 2002. Healthcare teams, finance teams, e-commerce stores, anyone touching a spreadsheet feels this daily. That's exactly why Syla exists. Because these hot tools were not built to save your time, but this one is. Let me show you what I mean. Take something as basic as patient data. Normally, you would spend ages formatting it, labeling it, building charts, running calculations. Syla does it instantly. Upload the CV and the visualization appears before you even blink. No formulas, no setup, no manual charting. And immediately you get a real insight, like a 59% growth in patient volume. Clear, automatic, and impossible to miss. And here is the beauty. Syla isn't built for one type of a person. It's built for anyone who wants answers without the heavy lifting. If you work with CSV or Excel files and you are tired of wasting hours doing what should take seconds, Syla is the tool you've been waiting for.